Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by inspecting the memory card carefully for physical damage and dirt. Check the card label for capacity, such as 32 GB and class markings. Test the card in 2 different devices and use a known working adapter to exclude a faulty reader. Connect the card to the computer and open Disk Management to see if the device appears. Note whether the card shows as RAW, unallocated, or with no drive letter. Do not format yet if you need to recover files. If the card contains valuable files, create a read-only image before making changes. Use recovery software set to create a sector-by-sector image equal to the card size. Save that image to a different drive with enough free space for the full file. Perform file recovery from the image file instead of the original card to avoid further damage. Verify recovered files open correctly before proceeding. Only then consider repair or formatting steps on the original card. If the computer detects the card as corrupted, run chkdsk or comparable repair utilities first. If repair fails and you have a backup, format the card using FAT32 for older cameras or XFAT for cards over 32 GB. Use the device format option if available to ensure compatibility. Replace worn adapters and clean contact pins with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Prevent future failure by using safe eject, avoiding full write cycles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.